Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using Printify. Printify offers a robust platform for print-on-demand services, connecting you with a global network of printing partners. This expansive network provides access to a diverse range of products and printing techniques, enabling you to customize everything from t-shirts and mugs to phone cases and wall art. The platform simplifies the process of creating and selling custom merchandise, handling the complexities of production and shipping so you can focus on design and marketing. One of the standout features of Printify is its extensive product catalog. With numerous options available, you're sure to find the perfect canvas for your creative vision. Whether you're looking for apparel, accessories, or home decor items, Printify offers a comprehensive selection to cater to a wide variety of needs and preferences. Furthermore, the platform integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, streamlining the process of listing and selling your personalized creations. Printify's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate the platform and manage your products. The design tools are intuitive and provide a straightforward way to upload your designs and customize product mockups. You can easily preview how your finished product will look, ensuring that your designs are perfectly aligned with your vision. In addition to its design capabilities, Printify provides valuable resources and support to help you succeed in the print-on-demand market. From educational materials to customer support, the platform empowers users to build and grow their businesses. Another key advantage of using Printify is the flexibility it offers in terms of pricing and shipping. You have the power to set your own retail prices, giving you control over your profit margins. The platform also provides transparent pricing information from its various printing partners, allowing you to compare costs and choose the best options for your business. With Printify's automated shipping solutions, order fulfillment is handled efficiently, minimizing the logistical challenges associated with running an online store. Leveraging a global network of print providers allows for localized production, often leading to faster shipping times and reduced shipping costs for your customers. By connecting creators with a diverse network of printing providers and providing a comprehensive suite of tools and resources, Printify empowers entrepreneurs to bring their creative ideas to life and build thriving online businesses. The platform's user-friendly interface, extensive product catalog, and flexible pricing options make it an attractive solution for anyone looking to venture into the world of print-on-demand.